Coating a tumbler like this is easy if you pick the right resin thickness. If your finish is sliding or looks uneven, the formula is likely the cause. It all comes down to how well the resin grips the surface. Thin art and craft resins are made to flow. On a spinning cup, they stay too active. The resin creeps downwards and gathers in drips at the edge. This often leaves the top of your tumbler bare. Thin resin also causes major fisheye issues. A tiny speck of dust or a fingerprint creates a hole in the finish. The resin is simply too light. It pulls away from the surface instead of covering it. This is where tabletop resin works best. It is a thick formula similar to warm honey. It clings to the surface and spreads slowly while the tumbler spins. The resin doesn't fight gravity, it works with it. Teamwork. The thickness allows it to fill small flaws instead of highlighting them. Tabletop also includes strong UV stabilizers to keep your custom cups clear for a long time. It locks on to the entire piece for a smooth mirror-like layer. Use tabletop for tumblers to avoid drips and bare spots. It's the most direct path to a professional result. Clean, smooth, job done. If this breakdown helped you understand a past mistake, then share it with a fellow maker. And let me know in the comments which resin has given you the most trouble recently.